नमस्कार, आदाब, खुशामदीद, सत्यमेव जयते। मैं आमिर खान आप सभी का तहे दिल से शो पर स्वागत करता हूं। दोस्तों, हमारे देश में आम इंसान के लिए बहुत सारी समस्याएं हैं। हमने इनमें से पिछले हफ्ते कुछ देखी हैं। फीमेल फीटिसाइड, डॉरी, डॉक्टर मेल प्रैक्टिस, ऑनर किलिंग्स। लेकिन समस्या सिर्फ आम आदमी के लिए नहीं होती, बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियों की समस्या होती है, जैसे कि बढ़ती हुई ऑपरेशनल कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी, सही समय पर सूचना की कमी और हाथ से निकलता हुआ कॉस्ट ऑफ कंट्रोल। दोस्तों, दिन बर दिन ये समस्या और भी गहरी होती जा रही है। कंपनी क्वार्टर दर क्वार्टर ग्रो कर रही है और ऑपरेशनल कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है जो बढ़ती ही जा रही है। सही समय पर सही सूचना न होने के कारण डिसीजन मेकिंग में भी डिले हो रही है। ऐसे वातावरण में हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर की कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंट्स टीम क्या कर सकती है? कैसे हम हमारे कॉस्ट को कंट्रोल में रख सकते हैं? कहते हैं टाइम इज मनी, तो हम कैसे समय और पैसे दोनों बचा सकते हैं? हमारा जो मकसद है दोस्तों, कि हम यूनिलीवर की बेस्ट फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग टीम बने, यानी कि न सिर्फ यूनिलीवर की बल्कि पूरी इंडस्ट्री की नंबर 1 फाइनेंस टीम बने। वो कैसे पूरा होगा? हाँ, इन गहरे सवालों के जवाब के लिए मैं स्वागत करता हूं HUL के ग्रुप कंट्रोलर चार्ल्स निकल्स और ग्रुप चीफ अकाउंटेंट PB बालाजी। सर, हाँ, इफेक्टिव फाइनेंशियल कंट्रोल और रिपोर्टिंग क्या होता है?
Effective financial control and reporting has got two elements to it. Element 1, closing our books faster, and element 2, zero basing our controls environment completely.
We want to get faster, we want to get more efficient. That's true of our accounting and our control processes, just as it is for any other part of the business.
First one would result in a faster organization. The second one will result in a higher quality and more controlled environment at much lower cost.
सिंप्लीफाई और स्पीड अप करने की जरूरत क्या है?
The size of the prize is pretty big. At the moment it takes us around 5 weeks to close our books and report externally. By the time we've finished with EFCR, we should be down to something closer to 2 weeks. Why does that matter? That's 3 weeks every quarter when senior management in the business don't have to worry about results, about how they're going to talk to the external market, about what the numbers are saying, and 3 weeks each quarter when they can focus on growing the business. So that's got to be good news.
We spend almost 100 million euros on controls alone in this company. And if you're going to bring that down by 50 million, that's 50 million additional available for the business to spend.
और इसके लिए क्या बदलना जरूरी है?
Let me give you a flavors of the mess that is there. It takes us, for a country to generate results in, let's say, 3 days' time. And by the time they publish results into the center, it takes them 8 days. The number of ways in which we make payments can be phenomenally high. A 40 billion euro company to have sorted its intercompany processes out completely. There are countries which have outsourced, let's say, 40 of their processes out of 50. There are other countries which have done 0. And there's no logic to explain why it is 40 or why it is 0. This is not the sexy stuff. But this is what our people in finance day in and day out are dealing with.
और ये हम ये बदलाव कैसे ला रहे हैं?
Always been put onto the too difficult to think about pile. And we sort of cut through all of that.
A lot of people have talked about simplification as definitions alone, but the real mess lies deep underneath our system. So therefore this is actually going deep into the systems, deep into the processes, deep into a control framework to ferret out those areas which are complicated, and that for me will ring a bell with people who are operators. There are significant subject matter experts who are contributing in this. This is not being done by a small team which is cocooned in a different place and completely cut away from reality. These are people who have known the stuff, they know what they do.
हाँ, और कामयाबी क्या होगी?
Objective of this is to reduce work in the countries. If we are ending up doing more work in the countries on a permanent basis, then we have failed as a project. A success for me is the people on the ground actually reflecting the fact that things have got significantly simplified. So when I do my visits to the countries, the guys should be walking up to me and saying that, God, what kind of mess we had earlier and what we have cleaned out.
We also need to make sure that that is working perfectly. Irreducible minimum in terms of effort, but maximum in terms of compliance and discipline. The net result of that is you not only get something that's cost effective, something that's fast, but you also get something that's very high quality.
तो हमने ये जान लिया है कि फास्ट क्लोज हमारे लिए कितनी बड़ी प्रायोरिटी है। हमारा लक्ष्य ये है कि जो रिजल्ट्स रिपोर्ट करने के लिए हमें आज 1 महीना लगता है उसे हम कम कर दें। फाइनेंशियल कंसोलिडेशन जो आज 15 दिन में होता है उसे 6 दिन में खत्म करें। मैनेजमेंट रिपोर्टिंग को 5 दिन से 1 दिन और ऑडिट को 15 दिन से जल्द। लेकिन क्या इसका यह मतलब है कि हम क्वालिटी ऑफ ऑडिट यानी कि ओवरऑल कंट्रोल्स पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज करेंगे? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। क्योंकि अगर हम HUL की नंबर 1 फाइनेंस टीम बनना चाहते हैं तो फिर दिस और दैट का सवाल ही नहीं है, बल्कि दिस भी करना है और दैट भी करना है। हाँ, इसका मतलब है कि हम टाइमलाइन को क्रैश करेंगे, साथ ही साथ हम कंट्रोल्स को भी टाइट करेंगे। यही है सही मायने में एंड मेंटालिटी। हाँ, यह मुश्किल है पर नामुमकिन नहीं। बस बदलाव की जरूरत है। हमारे काम करने के तरीके में बदलाव, हमारे बिहेवियर में बदलाव, हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी में बदलाव। आइए देखते हैं एक और बदलाव जो हम HUL में ला रहे हैं। यह बदलाव है कनेक्ट, हमारे डेटा और इंफॉर्मेशन को मैनेज करने के लिए एक नया तरीका जो बनाएगा हमारा काम आसान और बचाएगा बहुत सारा समय।
Throughout Unilever, people need information. Great information drives great business. But the sheer volume of data we use today has revolutionized the way we work. To meet our global ambitions and to deliver the compass, we are transforming the way we store, access, and use information. Connect is the program that will give us the right information in the right format with the right tools to support us. And in an environment where accessibility is everything, we're launching a one-stop shop called My Business Information, a repository where all of our reports can be accessed in a single place. Today, this will be leveraged seamlessly within our inside.unilever.com platform. It's access to reports for all our countries, functions, and categories. The reports you will have access to are underlined. Those in grey are restricted, depending on your job level or role. You can choose to look at the reports as a list for a concise overview, or in the standard view, which provides a description of each report. This detailed page can also show when the report was published and who you can contact for more information about its content. You can also find an archive of the report history. When you click on the report, it will automatically open in its relevant applications such as Microsoft Excel or Adobe Acrobat. You can add any report to your favorites, storing all relevant documents in one convenient place. You can also make reports available for offline viewing. My Business Information will automatically synchronize with Outlook when you're online, with those reports you have specifically selected. My Business Information will allow you to turn data into information and information into decisions. Driving this transformation are powerful new tools. At the core of our system is Teradata, the industry-leading data warehouse with proven flexibility, power and performance is already used by many of the world's biggest companies. It is the engine that will store all of our strategic enterprise data around the world, as well as our suppliers, customers, and our competitors' intelligence. And it will enable us to handle the data explosion in a way that we have never experienced before. A host of new Microsoft tools are already pushing us forward in the way we consume our data. Power Pivot, Report Builder 3, Excel 2010 and SharePoint are changing the way we do our business. Whether you're an average user or a heavyweight analyst, according to Microsoft, these tools are proven growth drivers for other businesses. For complex customer-facing analysis, we'll be rolling out Tableau, a visualization tool that will transform stubborn and complicated databases into easily accessible investigations. Delivering impactful analysis in the form of drafts, charts, and scoreboard. We have huge global ambitions, and these tools are putting the power, speed, and flexibility we need into the hands of our people. Simplifying the way we handle our data today to give Unilever the functionality it needs for the future.
बाप रे बाप, इतना सारा डेटा। पर ताजुब की बात यह है कि जितना हमारे पास HUL में डेटा है, उससे ज्यादा हमारे पास बैंक अकाउंट्स हैं। अरे अरे नहीं, डेटा से ज्यादा बैंक अकाउंट्स नहीं है, पर फिर भी इतने कम भी नहीं है। हाँ, अब आप बताइए HUL के पास कितने बैंक अकाउंट्स हैं?
20? सर 120?
54? नहीं, अरे जी नहीं, 170। इसके कई कारण हैं। हमारे पास 7 लीगल एंटिटीज है, 46 मैन्युफैक्चरिंग लोकेशंस है, 2500 RS हैं। अरे गांव में हमारी पहुंच है, पर हमारी बैंक्स की नहीं। हाँ, इसीलिए इतने सारे बैंक अकाउंट्स। लेकिन अब हम 170 बैंक अकाउंट्स को कंसोलिडेट करके 10 से कम करने वाले हैं। कैसे? ये मेरे काबिल दोस्त जो ट्रेजरी डिपार्टमेंट में है आपको बताएंगे।
Our ambition is to become the #1 finance team in Unilever as well as in the industry. HUL Treasury is recognized in the industry as the one who is always open to new ideas and keen to leverage the new technologies to bring simplification and continuous improvement in its operations. In this chart, we have shown our 3 main agenda, and through this presentation, we are going to talk about simplification agenda by rationalizing the number of bank accounts we do have currently. HUL has an extensive banking infrastructure. At the end of the chain lie the unit bank accounts. These are used to meet the everyday banking needs of our operating units like petty cash, local vendor payments, etc. Approximately 68 in number, these unit accounts are linked to the main treasury accounts in the same bank. These main bank accounts have an end-of-day sweep facility to fund deficit and sweep surplus from the unit accounts and are controlled by the central treasury team. In addition to the unit account, we have the collection accounts. These cover various modes of collection like RTGS, NEFT, direct debit, speed clearing, cash collections and channel finance. These are 25 in number. On the other side lie the central payments and investment accounts controlled by Capgemini and Central Treasury. These accounts are used to make the vast majority of electronic payments made by HUL to vendors and also fund everyday surplus investment into fixed deposit, treasury bills and debt mutual funds. These are 32 in number. Our import and export transactions across entity are handled through 7 Forex account. 170 account creates a lot of complexity, bank reconciliations, mapping signatories, relatively lesser control with decentralized operation. It is now time to change all this, and our target is to bring it to a single digit. Here is the proposed roadmap to reach single digit number of bank account from 170 accounts currently. We will close 37 bank accounts through cleanup activity and 68 bank accounts will be closed across all our units. There are few cases where we do not have any solution right now, but we are exploring this space very closely so as to have solution for these accounts soon to achieve our target. We plan to provide solution to units to disperse their statutory and utility payments through a central account, thereby reducing all unit accounts. Wage payments of unit have been successfully tested from central account for Pune, Goa and Chiplun. We are also driving a solution with bank for ATM card to manage petty cash for units. Scrap sale receipts at unit to be managed through centralized NEFT receipt. Cleanup operations are in full swing to reduce unwanted bank accounts. The stakeholders who are going to play a pivotal role are our banking partners, Capgemini team, units, branches, IT and controllers department. This is going to be the sequel to Parivartan 1. Thank you.
Parivartan 2 से HUL अपने प्रोसेसर्स सिंप्लीफाई करते हुए इंफॉर्मेशन रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरा करेगी और कॉस्ट को कम करते हुए कंट्रोल्स को इंप्रूव करेगी। हाँ, ये स्टेप से हम हमारी मंजिल तक पहुंचेंगे और हमारी मंजिल है नंबर 1 फाइनेंस टीम बनना। आपके सवाल कुछ हो तो हमारी टीम आपको जवाब देने के लिए यहां शामिल है। सत्यमेव जयते। सत्यमेव जयते।